Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Infiniti Q60 in Need for Speed Payback. To begin, you'll need to focus on the story mode. The Infiniti Q60 becomes available after you progress through certain chapters and defeat specific league bosses. It's not an immediate unlock, so patience and persistence are key. You'll be driving many different cars and completing various events before this beauty is yours. Get ready for some intense racing action. To unlock the Infiniti Q60, your primary goal is to complete the Shift Lock storyline. This involves a series of challenging drift events that test your precision and control. You'll need to master the art of drifting to succeed. The final hurdle is defeating the Shift Lock crew leader, Gallo Rivera, in a head-to-head race. Once you conquer Gallo, the Infiniti Q60 will be added to your available vehicles for purchase. Once you've successfully completed the Shift Lock storyline and defeated Gallo Rivera, the Infiniti Q60 will become available for purchase. Head over to any in-game dealership, and you'll find it listed among the available vehicles. Be prepared to spend approximately 75,000 in-game currency to add this sleek machine to your garage. Make sure you've saved up enough cash from your races and challenges. After acquiring your Infiniti Q60, the real fun begins with customization. You can upgrade its performance parts like the engine, turbo, and suspension to significantly boost its speed and handling. Visually, there are numerous options, including body kits, paint jobs, and rims, allowing you to create a truly unique ride. Experiment with different setups to optimize your Q60 for various race types and dominate the streets of Fortune Valley.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.